are you today? I hope that you are healthy and excited to learn something new today. We are going to learn about fractions and mixed numbers. Please prepare your mathematics textbook and stationery. Before we start our lesson, let's pray together. Bless God, let your blessing go with me today, and grant that I may be obedient to my teachers and may learn with pleasure whatever I am taught. Amen. In our last meeting, we learned about operations of whole numbers. I hope that you still remember what you have learned. Now, we are going to move to the next chapter. Fractions and mixed numbers. In this chapter, we are going to learn fraction and division, addition and subtraction of mixed numbers. Okay, now let's start our discussion about fractions and division. Please open your math textbook page 54. Are you ready? Good! After learning this lesson, you are expected to be able to understand and apply the relationship among fractions, mixed numbers, and division expressions. Let's start, everyone. Look at try 1A, page 55. Okay, let's read together. 3 similar pizzas were shared equally among 4 friends. What fractions of a pizza did each friend get? Okay, 3 similar pizzas were shared equally among 4 friends, would mean 3 divided by 4. You had 3 pizzas and you share your pizza equally with 4 friends. Let's draw 3 pizzas. And there were 4 people. So what do we do? You could not just give everybody one pizza, could you? But you could take the first pizza and divided the pizza equally among 4 people. Everybody would get one slice of that pizza. Then you could take the second pizza and divided that pizza also equally, and everybody would get another slice of that pizza. And the last, you took the third pizza and divided that pizza also equally, and everybody would get another slice of that pizza. So, how much would each person get? Good job! Each person got 3 slices or 3/4 or 3 out of 4. Indeed, 3 divided by 4 equals 3/4 or 3 out of 4. Well, now we know how to solve division problems. Look at try 1B. Express each of the following as a fraction. Look at try 1b, part A. You have whole number division here. What you have to do is just writing them as fractions like this. 4 divided by 5 or 4 out of 5. Okay? It is easy, isn't it? Great! So, how about B? 4 out of 9. Fantastic! See? 5 divided by 8 equals 5 out of 8. Perfect! The last, D. 7 divided by 11 equals 7 out of 11. Well done. Easy, right? Okay, let's move to page 57. Try 2A. Let's read everyone. Divide. Express each answer as a fraction in its simplest form. 10 divided by 12 is equal to 10 out of 12. Nice. Now, can this fraction be simplified? Yes, it becomes 5 out of 6. Good job. How about B? 8 divided by 14 is equal to 8 out of 14. Fantastic. Can you simplify this fraction? Yes, good. 8 out of 14 is equal to 4 out of 7. Wow, it is easy, isn't it? Now, how about try to B? Divide. Express each answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. Please highlight as a mixed number. Okay. A. 22 divided by 4 is equal to 22 out of 4. Easy. Now, change it to a mixed number. What is 22 divided by 4? Good. The question is 5. Does 4 divide 23 completely without leaving any remainder? No. We have a remainder of 2. But wait, is it the simplest form of the mixed number? Yes, you're right. It's not the simplest form. 2 out of 4 can be simplified into 1 out of 2. So the answer is going to be 5 1 out of 2 because 2 out of 4 equals 1 out of 2. How about 1b? You can pause this video and do it by yourself. Done? Okay, let's check your answer. 14 divided by 6 is equal to 2 1 out of 3. Good job. But how can we get the answer? Let's see. 14 divided by 6 equals 2 and there's a remainder of 2. We can write the remainder as 2/6 or 2 out of 6. And then we simplify it into 1 out of 3. So the answer is 2 1 out of 3. Do you understand so far? Good. Next, open your textbook, page 58, and do number 3. It is easy. I believe that you can do this by yourself. Okay, are you done? Let's check your answers. A. 4 out of 3. As you already known from the previous explanation, it can be written as 4 divided by 3. So just write down the numbers in the boxes. Is it easy? Yes, of course. Now, B. 6 out of 5. Can you find the missing numbers? Exactly. 6 and 5 as 6 out of 5 can be written as 6 divided by 5. How about 9 out of 4? Good job! It's the same as 9 divided by 4. So the missing numbers are 9 and 4. The last, 10 out of 7. I'm sure your answer must be correct, right? It can be written as 10 divided by 7. Well done. Let's try for A. Could you please open your mathematics textbook, page 59, and read the questions? Okay, express each fraction as a decimal. Correct your answer to one decimal place. 1 out of 6. Step 1. Divide the ones by 6. 1 divided by 6 is equal to 0 ones with the remainder of 1. Write 0 in the ones column of the questions. Then rename the remainder 1 equals 1/10. Step 2. Divide the tens by 6. 10 tenths divided by 6 equals 1/10 with the remainder of 4/10. Write 1 in the tens column of the question. Then rename the remainder of 4/10. 4/10 equals 40 hundredths. Step 3. Divide the hundredths by 6. 40 hundredths divided by 6 equals 6 hundredths with the remainder of 4 hundredths. Write 6 in the hundredths column of the questions. We stop dividing the number at 2 decimal places so as to correct the answer to 1 decimal place. So 1 divided by 6 is equal to 0.1. How about 12 out of 11? Please pause this video and try to do it by yourself. Okay, what is your answer? 1.1. Perfect. If you have any questions, please post your questions in the comment section. We continue with 4b. Express each fraction as a decimal. Correct your answer to 2 decimal places. Now you are asked to correct your answer to 2 decimal places. The steps that you have to take are the same as the previous ones. But this time we have to stop dividing the number at 3 decimal places. So as to correct the answer to 2 decimal places. Okay, let's do it. A. 1 out of 7 or 1 divided by 7 with the remainder of step 1. Divide the ones by 7. 1 divided by 7 is equal to 0 ones with the remainder of 1. Write 0 in the ones column of the question, then rename the remainder of 1. 1 equals 10 tenths. Step 2. Divide the tenths by 7. 10 tenths divided by 7 equals 1 tenth with the remainder of 3 tenths. Write 1 in the tenths columns of the question. Then rename the remainder of 3 tenths. 3 tenths equals 30 hundredths. Step 3. Divide the hundredths by 7. 30 hundredths divided by 7 equals 4 hundredths with the remainder of 2 hundredths. Write 4 in the hundredths column of the question, then rename the remainder of 2 hundredths. 2 hundredths equals 20 thousandths. Step 4. Divide the thousandths by 7. 20 thousandths divided by 7 equals 2 thousandths with the remainder of 6 thousandths. Write 2 in the thousand column of the question. And we stop dividing the number at 3 decimal places. So as to correct the answer to 2 decimal places. So 1 divided by 7 is equal to 0.14. B. 7 out of 12 or 7 divided by 12. Please pause this video and try to do it by yourself. Okay, what is your answer, guys? 0.58. Well done. Do you understand so far? Good job. Well, this is the summary of this lesson. 2 divided by 3 is the same as 2 out of 3. 2 divided by 3 can be written as 2 out of 3. Remember to write the fraction in its simplest form. Besides, we can use long division to express a proper fractions as a decimal. Okay, to have better understanding about this lesson, please do some practices in your math workbook on pages 43, and 44. Thank you.